I could stick around and get along with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. You're alright, but I'm your darling to enjoy the party. Don't get too excited, cause that's all you'll get from me. Hey, yeah, I think you're cute, but really you should know I just came to say hello. 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 Oh, oh, oh. I'm not the kind of girl to get messed up with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. I'ma let you try to convince me to. Hello, oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's alright, I'm getting busy, just enjoy the party. It's okay with me if you don't have that much to say. Hey, kinda like this game, but there's something you should know. I just came to say hello.
Guys, I just found the best little table at the thrift store. Okay, this was 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Getting this place all set up, get my studio all put together. It's gonna be like a multi-vlog project, probably something that will never truly ever be done. But each time I'll show you guys what we're working on. Last time it was the sound panels. The adhesive that I was using, they've been falling off, so I've been stapling them on. So that one is missing one at the moment. It's right down there somewhere. And then that one lost one, which it's also somewhere in there. I'll staple them together. Let's get started. Okay, so I've cleared a space. Time to put that over there. I have like a million wires to untangle here. Emily, did you bring me zip ties? Ones that are like small to medium. They're gonna be for wires. Oh yeah, let me see, maybe they're in my area. Did some Nelson not put the zip ties back? Okay guys, so I've lost my wife's zip ties. We're gonna go to the garage and find them. We'll be right back. Zip ties. We use a lot of zip ties, so this is 1,000 pack. But it's gonna come in handy. I can zip tie all these.
Really want to turn the light off. So,
Or on in this case.
Or on in this case. Just reach over here with your special white pole and go click. Ta-da!
Recorded a whole music video and it's a pretty decent take. I was gonna use that take, But you know what? It was recording in slow motion. The whole thing. Slow-mo. They slow-mo'd my video. Those Apple bastards. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Dead. You guys died. Okay guys, we're gonna be changing the strings. My brother-in-law Josh gave me some strings. Very excited to see what these ones are all about. I'm going to replace them and then we will be all set to record. There we go. We have our naked guitar here. It's gonna be our E string. Do that at the end. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the G string. The G string goes through the hole. Note that isn't just buzzing. The B string is the most jealous of the A string, and the G string doesn't give a fuck. I've been turning this the wrong way. It happens. Happens to the best of us. And those who aren't quite the best but still try their best, aka me, no Ed Sheeran. Well, I still play some guitar. I still release a song every now and then. Am I going to win a Grammy? Probably not. Am I gonna visit my Grammy? Probably not, because she's dead. I live a very sad life, and you guys should all go check out my music and listen to it. And buy it on iTunes, where I get paid if people listen to it. Back in the day, I earned like $36 on my first YouTube channel, and then YouTube changed their system, so you have to have a lot of views and subscribers and stuff to get paid, and I never got my $36. And I'm just saying, YouTube, I was working up to that $100. You guys gypped me on my money. I was gonna earn that first $100. I said, F Nelson's $36. I would sue, which it would cost so much more. And that's the last string. Snip, snip.